to connect the probes to the handheld. Line up the connector with the ports. And then twist on the cable. How to turn on the handheld, hold down the on button until you hear a beep. This is how to change the parameters on the display. First, push the probe button and scroll down to display. Then pick the parameter you want to change. Sometimes there are multiple options, so you have to unselect and select the ones you want. If your ISO goes flat, change the batteries. To do that, unscrew the cover with the 4 screws. Then simply swap out the batteries. When placing the cover back on, ensure the O-ring is still intact and place that back on the right way. Also make sure not to get the handheld strap stuck underneath. The handheld is water resistant, not waterproof. Please don't get it too wet or submerge it in water.